In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi issue in a hotel. So you click on that globe icon and go to the properties and make sure you disconnect it if you have already connected, and you will see this notification comes up. Just click on that notification. If you don't get a good notification, you can open the browser and see whether you can get to Google, and you are getting this the site cannot be reached page. That's very common when you try to connect to a hotel Wi-Fi. So let me show you. You go back and open network and troubleshooting and go to your Wi-Fi and go to change adapter options, and then double click on that Wi-Fi and go to properties and make sure, and then click on the properties and make sure there is no manual DNS set, because if you have a manual DNS, you will have problem in redirecting to their authentication server. So there is no manual set, and close them all, and then this is the one. You basically forget it and close it and go back again, and then go back and then connect. You can click connect automatically, also fine. Now you see you are now getting redirected back to their hotel Wi-Fi page, and then you put your password in. Normally they give you a password at the front desk. In this case it is guest. Continue, and then you make sure you click on send anyway, because this will come up. So now you are in the hotel Wi-Fi. Now go to Google. You are into the network now. Now you can browse the internet. So this is one way to fix the hotel Wi-Fi issue, but there are many other ways. If that doesn't work, there are other ways, but I'm just showing you one way I was able to fix this. Hope this video is helpful for you. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, if it is helpful. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification for future video updates.